Features of Georgian cuisine. Peculiarities of Georgian cuisine. Dishes of Georgian cuisine are known and loved all over the world. However, not everyone knows that there are many historical differences between the cuisines of Eastern and Western Georgia, which persist in our time. For example, in the Eastern regions they prefer bread made from wheat flour, and in the Western regions they prefer corn cakes, known as mchadi. The favorite meat dishes of the residents of Eastern Georgia are made from beef or lamb, while in the West they prefer chicken and turkey. Sharp, well-salted cheeses, in particular Tushino, Kobi, and Georgian cheeses, are prepared in Eastern Georgia. Spices, sauces, and seasonings in the Eastern and Western regions are also somewhat different. Georgians love meat very much. For example, chakokbili is prepared from chicken, beef, lamb, mchadi from pork, chinaki from young lamb, cupidi from beef or pork. For shish kebab, which is one of the most famous dishes of Georgian cuisine, lamb, pork, or beef are suitable. Georgian meat dishes are inexpensive, which will allow you to celebrate your birthday inexpensively and at the same time very tasty. Another irreplaceable product, without which it is difficult to imagine national cuisine, is nuts, especially walnuts. They are included in many main dishes: meat, vegetables, fish, as well as sauces, satsabeli, satsivi, garo. Sauces are used quite widely in Georgian cuisine, and their variety is amazing. Spices are of particular importance in Georgia. A large amount of spicy herbs are used: cilantro, basil, dill, parsley, mint, and more. It is added when preparing dishes and simply served to the table. Such dishes can even decorate a wedding banquet. Their prices are relatively low, and the greenery will fit well into any style of wedding table decoration. It is also worth mentioning vegetable dishes. Eggplant in all its forms and bean dishes, in particular the famous lobio, are especially loved in the national cuisine. Cheeses in Georgia are not only served fresh, they are fried and added to many dishes. The popular khachapuri is also cheese baked in dough. And of course, favorite Georgian sweets, churchkila and gazanaki made from nuts with honey, which, according to tradition, are always prepared on New Year's Eve.